Okay. So what I was saying, that the hands and feet, they are the distant part of the distal part of the body, and they are high energy centers. And if we go to the hand, in our hand, which is the distal part, the farthest most part in the hand. First, I was talking of the body. Hand is the distal part, or the foot is the distal part. And if I tell you ask you which is the distal part in our hand, these are the tips, fingertips, or the toe tips. So again, in the hand, these are the energy centers which are having large amount of energy, very high energy, and they have immense curative energy. So just with the command on our basic sujok, we can give very efficient first aid right on the spot, wherever required, or while going to the hospital. And of course, we will not rule out the traditional medical help. You will not forget that. We have to give a call for the ambulance, for the medical help, we have to ask for. Now comes our action. So what we are going to do is, first thing is assess the situation. If the victim is drowning, we have to take him out of water. If there is fire somewhere and the room is filled with smoke, we have to remove that victim out of that room. If his clothes are on fire, we have to extinguish the fire, covering with a thick blanket or some coat, whatever you are wearing. First thing is that when you have to, that is assessing the situation. Second is assess the state of that victim, whether he's bleeding, he is unconscious, what is the state? And now comes the first aid that we have to provide him, whether we have to raise his legs, or we have to lower his legs, or we have to turn him on the side, turn his neck to one side. And if there is a fracture, we should give minimum movement to the victim, not to lift him around. So these are the precautions that have to be taken. Okay. Now coming to the resuscitation points, that is the most important step we have to do in trauma cases, in accident person lying along the side who's met an accident or something. So resuscitation points are on our fingertips or the base of the nail plate, either the base of the nail plate. I said tips of your fingers, they are energy centers. So either the tips of the fingers and the base of the nail plate. So we have to stimulate these points, the resuscitation points. And these points are known as Shizuan points. And pressing of these points and the point at the base of the nail, bloodletting has to be done. Then there are Renzong, these points which are at the base of the nail. This is the point, Renzong point. I'll show you the slides also. So these, this is your Renzong point here, between the fold of your nasal septum and upper lip. This is the animal head. Like if you see an animal, the protruding part of the head of the animal, that part is this. And that part of the animal is having heteroforce, maximum heteroforce in it. So both the resuscitation points, as we have seen, either at the tip of your finger or toe or at the base of the nail. And when these points are given treatment, it brings quick and radical change. It can be done on the fingers or on the toes. So it gives quick and radical change because they are having large amount of heteroforce, they have tremendous energy. So quick changes come. And if we see the victim's nail color is changing, it's becoming white or it's becoming blue, then the special attention has to be given to his vital organs. That means the brain, the heart, and the lungs. So we have to give special attention to these organs. Once we give attention to these, it will normalize the pulse and the breathing also. and we can revive the patient. Then kidneys, where are the kidneys? We know the kidneys, if we go from outer side of the legs, if we keep going up, here we have the, if you feel, there is a pit here and then the bone starts. So the pits here, these are the kidney points, the kidneys, and the bone adjoining to that pit is the adrenal gland. And the kidneys accumulate the vital force. They are accumulation centers of the vital force. In case of grave sickness, there is definite energy deficiency. So kidneys should be stimulated. In case of edema, lots of swelling happens in such cases. Inflammation is happening. Then we have to intensify dehydration and discharge the excess fluid that is collecting in the body. So again, the kidney points have to be taken care of. In case of shock, stress, panic, adrenal glands. When you are massaging the kidney, adrenal glands are adjoining to it, so they automatically get stimulated. But we have to remember that for shock, for stress, for panic, because adrenal glands are known as fight and flight, they secrete fight and flight hormones. So they act during those cases, they need stimulation, they need attention. And finally, if there is a fracture or there is a burn, where is the fracture, where is the burn, we go to that correspondence area. If the fracture is on the leg, on the arm, or where it is, or the burn, which part of the body is burnt. So then finally we go to that correspondence location, that part also. So we have to go, we should know all the steps, how to go. So we know resuscitation points on the fingertips and nail base. Just quick revision. So because you have to be very thorough where we have to, we don't have time to waste. We don't have time to think during those times. So resuscitation points, tips of fingers, on the tips of fingers and the nail base. Then your vital organs here, vital organs, brain, lungs and heart. So need quick work here. And then go to the affected part, the affected area. Intensive massage to be given for around 20 minutes or so to improve the state. If energy is low, too much pain is there, to alleviate the pain, we can give moxa also. And so we move ahead. And I told you we can use a matchstick, we can use toothpick, whatever we get, but action has to be taken quickly. So squeezing on the heart, lungs, that is very effective. Massage, any type of massage can be done. Whatever massage you know. I'll show you the slide also. Just wait, I'll show you. So this is just what I have said. These are your Renzong points. Can you see on the nail base? This is the below your fold of your nose and your upper lip. So it on the animal head, this is the place where you have to give good massage. These are your Shizuan points on the tips of your fingers and also toes also. So these are the points which need attention. And these are the various types of massages which we can give. We can massage with our thumb, with fingers, with probe, with a key, anything, with squeezing, pinching, rubbing, whatever you do. Rotate in that area, clockwise, anti-clockwise, or linear massage. Linear massage direction we have to understand, not without, we cannot go in the wrong direction, especially for the linear massage. Even in rotational massages, we have to be careful about clockwise massage or anti-clockwise massage. But massage has to be given when we are doing the resuscitation, we are massaging the vital organs. That times quick and intensive massage should be given to restore the vital functions of the body. So like you know, in the conventional type of cardiopulmonary resuscitation, they revive the circulation and the respiration. To revive the respiration, they give mouth-to-mouth respiration. And for the circulation, they give closed chest cardiac massage, pumping the heart, you know, with both the hands, they put pressure. And for that, we need special training. If there is no one around to give that CPR, then we can go with Sujok. For pulmonary resuscitation, for hearts to start functioning, for lungs to start functioning, the pulmonary part, what we can do is we can give linear massage. We have to help him breathe. How can we help him breathe? From the nose towards your lungs, give linear massage downwards from nose towards your lung. You can give with your thumb, with 2 fingers, with probe, whatever way, but this massage has to be towards the lungs. Lungs की तरफ massage देंगे, nose से चलेंगे और lungs की तरफ आएंगे. So this is the way you have to give linear massage so that he can inhale and the lungs should start functioning. And for the circulation to begin, for the pumping, what is done with the closed chest cardiac massage, we are going to go to the heart correspondence here and give it intensive massage with our thumb or with our bone, interpharyngeal joint we can give. Any way we have to give, but we have to give good massage here so that the heart starts pumping blood and the circulation begins. It should not stop. And then we discuss the brain point and adrenal glands. And yes, umbilicus massage, center of your trunk area. This correspondence, it is a vital energy center. According to the Chinese, umbilicus contains vital energy. So give good massage here with your thumb on the umbilicus point also. So resuscitation through Sujok, remember 4 points. Respiration, linear massage, heart massage here, brain points, adrenal glands, and your umbilicus. So here you can see in this, when we are going to do CPR through Sujok, this massage is here. These are the lungs and this is the heart. So we massage downwards from your nose towards the lungs. And this is the heart where we give good massaging so that the pumping of the heart begins. It should not stop. And the top part is the brain. This is the back, the yang side. This picture shows the linear massage that is being done, maybe with your thumb or with your 2 fingers, but going towards the lungs. Here, the heart massage is being done, circulation from the heart, the pumping of the heart done through Sujok. Any way you can do. With your bone part, with the interpharyngeal part of your fingers, with your 2 fingers, with your thumb, whatever. Can do it on the feet also, on the hand also, anywhere. Even 2 people can start doing it. On one hand, one is doing, on the other hand, the another person can do. And one can start on the feet also. But that person cannot lose his life. He has to be revived. That should be our aim. This is the umbilicus point, center of the trunk. The massage is given here. So all these points we have to take care of. This is the kidney and the adrenals. So good massage here. We can give this in the insect system also. Insect system. So if this is the complete body and the kidneys comes on the last phalange on the yang side. Adrenals and kidneys come here. You may work in the main system, you may work in the insect system, but